Growing a beard is a great way for teenagers to express themselves and look more mature. It can be a daunting task, however, as it requires patience and regular maintenance. From picking the right style to learning how to care for your beard, there are a few key steps to take when it comes to growing a beard for teenagers. With the right tips and tricks, you can have the perfect beard in no time. Whether you're looking to add a little bit of facial hair to your look or you're ready to take the plunge and grow a full beard, this guide will give you the information and advice you need to get started. But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. So, let's get to it and learn how to grow a beard for teenagers. What kind of beard should you grow? There are many different types of beards you can grow, from a little patch of facial hair to a full-blown lumberjack look. First, you need to decide what kind of beard you want to grow. You may want to grow a full beard or a goatee, or you may want to try something different like a stubble or mutton chops. You can even mix and match beards to create your own unique look. When it comes to growing a beard, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you need to make sure that your hair is long enough and healthy enough to be able to grow out. You also need to make sure you have the right skin and facial hair type. For example, if you have sensitive skin, it can be difficult to grow a full beard as it can be a bit itchy at times. Preparing your skin for beard growth. When growing a beard, you need to make sure your skin is ready to handle the extra facial hair. If you have sensitive skin, it's better to start with a shorter, less coarse beard, like a goatee or stubble. Before growing out your facial hair, you should start with a good skincare routine. This means using a face wash and moisturizer for acne-prone skin and sunscreen when going outside. You should also start exfoliating your skin and using a moisturizing face mask once or twice a week. Additionally, you may also want to consider investing in a vitamin B supplement. Vitamin B is essential for healthy hair growth, so it's a good idea to take it before you start growing a beard. How to trim and shape your beard. Once you've grown out your facial hair, it's time to trim and shape your beard. This will allow you to get the perfect length and shape for your face. When it comes to trimming your beard, you'll want to use a pair of good quality, sharp clippers. When it comes to trimming your facial hair, you'll want to keep a few things in mind. First, you'll want to make sure not to go too short. Most people recommend waiting until your hair is about 1 inch long, which is when the hair is long enough to style and groom. Second, you want to make sure you're trimming your beard properly, especially if you're using a pair of clippers. A good rule of thumb is to start by trimming your sideburns, then your upper cheeks and finish with your chin. How to care for your beard. Like any other part of your body, you need to care for your beard. This means regularly washing and conditioning your facial hair, as well as moisturizing and exfoliating your skin. You can use a good facial wash or a beard wash and conditioner to clean your beard and keep it hydrated. When it comes to moisturizing your skin, you can use a good face moisturizer. You can also use a face mask once or twice per week to exfoliate your skin and prevent ingrown hairs. You can use an anti-aging face serum to help prevent wrinkles and maintain the overall health of your skin. Finally, you'll want to use sunscreen when going outside to protect your skin and prevent sun damage. If you want to grow your facial hair out, you'll want to start using a beard oil. Beard oils are a great way to keep your beard healthy and hydrated. They can also help prevent ingrown hairs. How to maintain your beard. Once you've grown out your beard, you'll need to maintain it. This means regularly trimming your facial hair to prevent it from getting too long or unruly. You'll also want to keep your skin clean and hydrated to prevent breakouts. You should trim your beard every few weeks or once a month, depending on how long you've let it grow. You can either trim it at home or visit a barber for regular trimming. When it comes to cleaning and maintaining your skin, you'll want to make sure you're washing your face regularly and moisturizing your skin daily. You should also be exfoliating your skin once or twice a week to get rid of dead skin cells and prevent breakouts. Finally, you can also use a face mask or face serum to hydrate your skin. This is especially important during the winter when the cold can dry out your skin. Tips for growing a full beard. If you're ready to grow a full beard, you'll need to be patient. Growing out a full beard will take time, so make sure you're prepared for the journey. It's important to keep in mind that growing out a full beard isn't always easy. Depending on your hair type and skin sensitivity, it can be a bit itchy, especially in the beginning. If you're growing out a full beard, you'll want to make sure you're using the right products. You'll want to use a good beard oil and conditioner, as well as a face wash and moisturizer. It's also a good idea to make regular visits to your dermatologist to prevent ingrown hairs and breakouts. The importance of staying patient. Finally, when it comes to growing a beard, you need to be patient. Growing a beard isn't a quick or easy process. In fact, it can take up to a year before your facial hair is long enough to grow a full beard. If you're growing a full beard, you'll need to be patient and consistent with your grooming habits. It's important to regularly trim and maintain your facial hair to avoid getting it too long and unruly. And lastly, you'll also want to make sure you're using the right products. Products like beard oil and conditioner are essential for growing out your facial hair and keeping it healthy. That's all for today's video. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.